Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a BMW M5 using an easy method. First, let's establish the car's fundamental shape. Start by lightly sketching a long, low rectangle to represent the main body. Then, place a slightly smaller, rounded rectangle on top for the cabin. This initial step is crucial for getting the proportions right, giving your M5 that iconic, powerful stance right from the start. Keep your lines light and fluid. Next, we'll focus on the wheels and their powerful arches. Draw 4 perfect circles for the wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced along the base of your car. Then, create prominent, slightly flared wheel arches around each circle. Remember, the front wheels are typically positioned a bit closer to the front bumper, emphasizing the car's dynamic forward motion. This detail adds significant character to your drawing. Now, let's bring out the distinctive features of the M5, starting with the front. Sketch the iconic BMW kidney grille, making it bold and centered. On either side, add the sleek, elongated headlights, extending them slightly towards the sides. For the rear, define the bumper and taillights with clean, horizontal lines. These details are essential for capturing the M5's aggressive yet refined aesthetic, giving it instant recognition. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and some light shading to make your BMW M5 truly pop. Go over all your initial sketch lines, making them darker and more precise. Add subtle details such as door lines, side mirrors, and window frames. Then, use light shading to create depth, especially under the car, within the wheel wells, and along the body contours. This adds a three-dimensional quality to your drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.